Hello everyone, let's guess where I am. I'm in Putrajaya right now and I will be joining Powerman for tomorrow. And today will be a check-in day. So it's a Saturday and event will be happening on tomorrow, Sunday. And I'm Lestony Lee here and nice to see you all again. So for Powerman, they have two categories. One is a Powerman Classic and one is a Powerman Short. And for me, I'm a first time joiner for Powerman event. It's a duathlon, which means you need to run and cycling and run again. So I choose Powerman Short, whereby I just only need to run for 5 km and then we continue with cycling for 30 km and continue with another running for 5 km for finish. And for Powerman Classic, they need to run for 10 km and cycling for 60 km and finish with another 10 km of running. Honestly speaking, I'm not a running enthusiast. I've been focusing on cycling a lot for the past year. So for the plan for tomorrow, I'm gonna be, I think mostly will be walking or jogging for 5 km and then full power on 30 km cycling and then continue another walking for 5 km, so to get the finisher medal. And another issue, because I have these plantar facilities actually for quite a few months, so if for me to do jogging or running, we might further severe my pain on my bottom of the plantar facilities or the bottom of my leg. So hopefully I can get it finished within 3 hours. Let's target 3 hours. For cycling 30 km, I hope I can finish under 1 hour. So let me set up the bike and let's get what bike I'm going to use. Is a new bike. Yes, the bike I'm going to use for this Powerman is Falath Evo, Elves Falath Evo. It's a 2023 version. It's just launched recently. It's a full aero bike and I just set up this bike on last Monday. Tested it one time on Kansas right, so it's very new for me and definitely I'll be sharing more review. Then I need you guys like, share and subscribe this channel. Definitely I will focus more review on this bike. We'll be sharing my first impression of this bike and then after for 100 km ride, how it's going to perform for endurance and definitely how it's going to perform during race. So now after parking, we're going to walk to the bike check-in place in Tataran, Putrajaya. And tomorrow we're going to arrive here before 5 AM. And for my Powerman Short, we'll be starting from 7:20. So the cut-off time will be 5 hours. So my target gonna be finished in 3 hours. And definitely to everyone, ride safe, safety first. My right hand side is an Expo area, and to pick up the race pack you need to go into this auditorium Chempaka Sari, and you can get some offer for some of the goodies they are selling through a merchant.
Sorry. Put on your brakes under the tent. Check your brakes under the tent. Thank you. Great. All right. Thank you.
1260. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Okay. 1260 here. Yeah. 112 this row. Hey, good morning everyone. Today is the day Powerman race. So now it's around nearly 6. I gonna rush to the transition area, put down all my equipment and then get ready because for the Powerman short session we will start on around 7:20. Yep. So around one hour for me to prep up.
On the clock, we are almost towards the...
When I arrived at the transition area and checked out my bike, and I found my front wheel, the tire tube is no more air inside. So luckily I expected, so I'm bringing another spare tube which is latex and quickly to do the changing.
Because our technical officials will be checking that as you enter condition. So please, once again, get the helmets ready on your head and your bib helmets visible. Please keep your eyes open as well because we're going to have athletes coming through. So keep your eyes peeled, guys. These are our first few athletes, the Army boys, of course, looking really strong there on that first run, first 5K. Here is all right, hello short distance athletes, how you doing? Woo! All right, so we are 7:08. If you're still in transition area, you need to move out the transition. We're closed already, and we're now looking at almost the 3, 2, 1. Have an awesome time out there on the course. Be careful here at the start. We've got our 2 start line mats here, or finish line mats here, so be careful here as you come across the line. Have a great time out there. You're doing 1 lap of the run course 5 p.m. Then you're heading back into transition. You're grabbing your bikes, heading out on the because the other side is live to traffic, okay? So stay on this.
Depan lagi.
During the cycling phase, I have to make sure I output the full power to regain back the time I lost during the transition and also during the running time. For myself, I really didn't train on running, so for this Powerman, I've been putting lots of effort during the cycling phase. Whenever I see there's a downhill, I will definitely push more harder, sprint all the way down to gain the average speed around 40 km above to have this momentum when we're going up again. So for first 10 km, I think average I've been cycling above 35 km. After 20 km from cycling, I can feel my upper calf start to getting cramp. I believe due to I didn't train on jogging, so the muscle start to overwork and getting cramp. I need to slow down so I can make sure myself get into the finish line, enter the second transition running. During this moment, I'm being output more than 500 watts to gain the speed up to 60 km per hour, because this is a downslope around 5%. So after 1 km there's another uphill again, so I don't need to pedal too hard to gain back. So where my strategy is mostly gaining the speed during a downhill and make sure I have the momentum to cycle up again. So done the bike, so now going for transition for running. So going to finish it. Okay. So my right calf a bit of cramp just now. So put some cold gel and now it's feeling better. Definitely to complete this. I think within 3 hours, that's my target. My right leg upper calf already start getting cramped, so I really cannot run. If I go and try to run, I believe it will totally cramp and I cannot finish the whole Powerman. So for the whole 5 km, the second run, I only can walk until the finish. the end. So I managed to finish before my targeted time, which is sub 3 hours. I finished on 2 hours 55 minutes. There's still lots of room of improvement for myself. If for next year I'm going back joining this Powerman, definitely I need to put more effort on training on jogging and running, because most of the time I'm spending on running really wastes too much of time. And another thing is I need to speed up during a transition area. I'm spending more than 10 minutes. If I plan on running and transition to save time on transition, definitely I think I can save around 30 to 40 minutes for the next Powerman. So looking forward to join for next year event. See you guys.